Yep, guys. My truck has been towed.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
Yeah, so I checked my car here. Tow Tech is the people who towed my truck. So I'm gonna get my damn truck back.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Mitsubishi Outlander. Tint windows.
And you happen to have an ID for what?
Like, boy, you ain't no real cop, boy. You ain't got no authority, boy.
$250 off me. Guy wanted $300 damn dollars. I'm not giving you $300 for my truck, man. You better give me my truck. Give me my damn truck back.